Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar fell 0.3% against the yen in the last trading session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.6% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The CCI indicates an overbought market. The last session saw the oil drop 0.7% against the dollar. The RSI is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The benchmark S&P 500 rose to a record closing high as investors assessed a mixed bag of corporate earnings and digested comments from President Donald Trump, including a call for cuts in interest rates and oil prices. US President Donald Trump signed an order to create a cryptocurrency working group, fulfilling a campaign promise after he courted cash from digital asset companies, pledging to be a crypto president. The dollar was modestly lower in a choppy session after comments from US President Donald Trump called for lower interest rates while providing no clarity on tariffs, and investors awaited a round of policy announcements from global central banks.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count will be released at 18 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 0:30 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0:30 GMT. Finland's unemployment rate will be released at 6 GMT. Finland's Producer Price Index at 6 GMT. The UK's GfK Consumer Confidence at 0:01 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.